Hey learners, I welcome you back again in our today's offline video lecture of class 12 information practices, and the today's topic is DML, that is data manipulation language category of SQL commands. This topic is presented to you by Ankur Pandita, teacher BHSS Dragmulla. In our previous topic is we discussed in detail what are SQL commands. What is SQL? It is a language used to create database or manage databases. In SQL language, we have five main categories of commands, that is data definition language, data manipulation language, data creation, data control language, transition control language, and data query language. In our yesterday topics, we studied various commands under DDL, that is data definition language. Today we will study data manipulation language commands. Students, I will give you a small small insight that DQL select command, which is under DQL, that is data query language, comes under DML in new version of SQL. So in our DML there are four commands instead of three, which is shown on the screen. So DML commands consist of four: insert, update, delete, and one of DQL. So we will study four commands, that is select, insert, update, and delete in DML category of SQL commands. So students, DML category of SQL commands consist of four: insert, update, delete, and also select command, which earlier came into DQL category. So we will today study DML categories of SQL commands. What does data manipulation language? Data manipulation language is a family of computer language commands permitting user to manipulate data. So through these category of commands, we can manipulate data in a database. This manipulation involves inserting data into database tables. So we can insert data, we can retrieve data, and we can modify data. DML is mostly incorporated in SQL databases. So first is select command. This command is used to retrieve rows from a table. We can retrieve rows from a table, that is, we can retrieve records or tuples from a record. A row represents a record in a database table. The syntax is, the way of writing is, like you have to write select, you have to write in column name from table name, that is select what is the column name from what is the table name of the data. Where condition, where, from where. Select is the most widely used DML command is in SQL. Now second command which comes under DML category is update. This command modifies data of one or more records. Through update command we can modify records. And update command syntax: update table name, set column name is equal value, where condition. So through update command we can modify columns or records in a database. Insert: this command adds one or more records to a database table. So through insert command we can add one or more records to a database table. The insert command syntax: insert into, you can insert into table name, you have to specify table name, then columns values, and then values, what is the value. And through this command we can insert records to a database table. And delete: this command removes one or more commands from a table according to a specified condition. Delete command syntax is delete from table name, where condition. So through this delete command we can delete one or more records from a table. Students, this is it from today's topic of data manipulation language categories of SQL commands. Remember, I want to repeat that SQL is a programming language used to create, manipulate, and manage databases. And I have given you a thorough language of what is a database, what is a what is a table in relational database management, what is a record, what is a attribute. Students, I request you to thoroughly revise all those topics, which will enable you to understand this topic clearly. Students, stay safe, stay at home, stay healthy. Thank you.